Hi everybody, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management, Tyler, Texas. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're having a good start to spring. Reminded of a quote from Lou Holtz, who is a Hall of Fame football coach, and I actually saw him speak here in Tyler one time. He was really good. Coach Holtz says, quote, "Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it," end quote. So as the battle against the COVID-19 pandemic continues, how we respond to it will determine how we beat it. Continued sacrifices range from everyone in the medical community working on the front lines to the thousands of truck drivers across our country keeping goods flowing, parents who become homeschoolers, and the folks missing their family events to help stop the spread of this terrible outbreak. As Lou Holtz said, we can't control what happens, but how we respond to it is what really matters. Our response to this crisis has shown the resolve and strength of the human spirit, which is why we will overcome. The response from the economy and the stock market, however, has shown a disconnect between those two. Tragically, 22 million people have filed for unemployment in the past 4 weeks, nearly wiping out all of the jobs created during the 10-year economic expansion. Historic drops in consumer confidence, retail sales, industrial production, oil prices, and housing starts have shown how quickly our economy has gone from solid growth to virtually stopping in its tracks. Yet, stocks have been soaring the past few weeks. Remember, stocks tend to weaken before the economy, and they tend to lead before the economy turns around. Stocks see light at the end of the tunnel before the economy ever feels it, and the big move recently from the market may be a sign the economy could turn around later this year. Small businesses have been impacted the most by the economic crisis, and the government and the Federal Reserve actions to bridge the gap to better times are unprecedented. The combined stimulus from fiscal and monetary policy is more than 20%, that's about a fifth of the value of the entire U.S. economy as measured by gross domestic product. This is greatly mitigating the economic hardships that we're having. The hurried rollout of the small business loan program wasn't perfect, but it is helping those businesses. This recession, though not officially declared yet, is unlike any we've ever seen. It wasn't caused by the virus itself, but by the government telling people to stay home in an effort to flatten the curve. We don't think the government can simply turn on a switch to get things back to normal, but with all of the stimulus making its way through the system, we think this could be one of the shortest recessions ever. Let's hope so. First quarter earnings season has begun. We are interested to learn how quickly corporate America anticipates the slowdown ending. Estimates for earnings in 2020 have reduced drastically, but there is still hope that a strong second half economic rebound could help support a recovery in corporate profits or earnings. More than 2 million people worldwide have been affected by the virus, and we all have been impacted in some way. There are drug companies all around the world working nonstop to find an effective treatment, while Boeing, one of the hardest hit companies during this crisis, said it might start building planes again soon. We aren't out of the woods yet, and the economic data in the headlines may get worse before they get better. But our response to this crisis reinforces our confidence that the future remains bright. Stay healthy, stay safe. Please call us if you have any questions. Again, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management in Tyler. Take care. God bless.